For the 2017 Chevy Equinox, customer want me to swap out the VVT solenoid. So let's start by introducing the socket, a 10mm and an 8mm. First, we're going to remove or loosen and then we're going to take this off. And we're going to get this off. And then we're going to take this out. This wasn't on. Huh. Okay. I don't know who was taking it for the customer, but not my problem. This is how easy you get to it. They're right under the cover right here. So now I'm going to swap out from 8 and go to, from 10 and go to 8. Loosen both screws. First, I'm going to take and replace the exhaust because I opened the exhaust one already. Before I do that, let's set this up and then finish this, and then I should be able to take the clip off. This clip are not that easy to come out. Right, there you go. These things are not that easy to come out. There's most of the time they're stuck in there, but let me grab a screwdriver. Actually, I have something better than a screwdriver. I will get one of my pliers and I can just wrap it around here and then turn this and pull on it. Ah, look at that. And I can take this bad boy out. Wow, look at that. And when I put the exhaust one in, I already greased the O-ring. And I'm gonna put this one in. And the bolt to go back in is in 8mm for the new one. And put the clip back on. Stick it down, this is up. Then we're going to take out the intake. And this one I need to take this one off before. Right, there you go. And I also have the intake O-rings already greased. And let's put that in. And screw this back down. And once you do that, then it's safe to lock it. And then we're going to put this back together like it was before. So let's find these things. And one of them is right here. And here. And then you're going to get the oil cap, put it back in. And then we are going to put this back right here. And then we're also going to make sure this clip back over here, which is the safety right there. There it is. And then we're going to put the belt back over the, okay, so that's not straight. So we have a little problem right here. So what we want to do, we want to make sure that this is straight, because these things are normally problematic. If they don't sit back correctly, it's a high possibility that you can have air going in, and it is giving me a little bit of problem, but let me fight with this a little bit more, because it seems like someone working it before, they never put so it don't sit correctly, so it actually are touching on the, so I am trying to get the rubber straightened out so it can go over this and sit and then go down. And there we are. Yep, there we are. And then I can go ahead and tighten this back up. There it is. And then we go right here, tighten this up. And there you have it. Put this back in. And this is all done. It'll take me around 10 minutes.